If you're experiencing billing issues with Epic Games, follow these steps to resolve them effectively. This guide will help you navigate the process smoothly. Step 1. Check your payment method. Ensure that the payment method you are using is valid and has sufficient funds. Double-check the card details, expiration date, and billing address associated with your Epic Games account. Step 2. Review your purchase history. Log into your Epic Games account and review your purchase history. Look for any recent transactions that may have failed or been disputed. This can help identify the source of the billing problem. Step 3. Contact customer support. If you cannot resolve the issue on your own, reach out to Epic Games customer support. Provide them with detailed information about the problem, including any error messages you received and the steps you've already taken. Step 4. Check for service outages. Visit the Epic Games status page to check if there are any ongoing service outages or issues that may be affecting billing. Sometimes problems can arise from the server side, which may be out of your control. Step 5. Update account information. If your payment method is outdated or incorrect, update your account information. Go to your account settings on the Epic Games website and ensure all details are current, including your payment method and billing address. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any billing problems you encounter with Epic Games. If issues persist, continue to communicate with customer support for further assistance.